Hello, hello. It's off to work we go. We're trying to get together and talk about this ebook. Hello, hello. It's off to work we go. Do, 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 do. My
Hi.
buddy Sam is coming.
Hello.
Sam?
Hi.
Hey.
Hey.
How's it
Yeah,
going, brother?
got you, man. Nice to meet you. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Yes.
Okay. How are you?
I'm doing good. We're finishing up our camping trip and we're getting ready to strike camp and go back home.
Oh, acha, it's over. It's
Say
over.
again?
Camping over. Camping over.
Yes, we're camping down in Panama City, down by the water, and we
Okay.
rarely get a chance to get away. But Sharon had an opportunity, so we took it. I want to thank you for your hard work on this ebook. It looks wonderful. About maybe 2 months ago, I had another guy do an ebook. That's before I knew you, and we're going to have you redo it because when I see what you've done and what he did, it's night and day. So I appreciate it, sir.
Okay. Actually, I'm still trying to done it fast. Okay. And now I'm totally free for you. So I have to done this project within 2-3 hours. If I just need your cooperation.
Okay, you got it. I have to put the phone up by my ear in order to be able to hear you. So that's what that's about. That's why you see my ear because I'm
Oh,
listening to you. So go
okay,
ahead.
okay. Let me share my screen.
Okay.
Okay, so this is our book we done for you. This is the new cover you sent me. I
Perfect.
used here. Okay.
Yep, it looks great. Page 4, that one right there. Let's see. Okay.
Okay. We have to count all page from here. Okay. Just feel free and knock me.
I will. Bye.
Okay. Bye.